Okay, so it's Christmas 2025. You hear all the extra conversation? Yes, it is what it is. That's because Julian's mic'd up in the kitchen because he's making our Christmas din-din because Mom is sick, unfortunately. But we're gonna follow Julian on this journey of making that family din-din for Christmas.
Raina, for me, when I'm there, I have
So Julian,
I have to walk on the beach. I have to be on the beach. Yeah. When she was
Julian, tell us about it.
Yeah, just found out. Best. Well, he's not gonna talk. Every morning when we were in NukaCola, I went down to the ocean from, even though there's water there. I mean,
You alright?
no. Yeah.
Got it boiling over already.
Right. Not even that long ago.
Like, dear God, the water gets.
The thing is that the potatoes.
The water gets everywhere with this one.
Yeah, when it good, it was like
crazy.
this.
Oh, okay.
This one is 100% gonna cook more than this one, like, a lot faster because it's got a cover. This burner sucks.
Oh, okay.
So.
Tonight. People are gonna come for me for how I cut.
Honestly, that might come for me too.
That's okay.
They go down and then back towards me.
I'm a little skeptical of some of the railings.
It's gonna take forever. I was all out of whack. It is bad.
All right, Julian, how we looking?
What do you mean, how we looking? This is the leftover mac and cheese. We already have some in the oven already, and we're about to put this in the oven.
Nice.
It is very good from what I've heard.
And what you got in your hand?
A NukaCola Quantum. It's amazing. I love it.
Nice.
Hey, Pop Up.
Hanukkah.
He looks like a Hasidic.
You guys zoom in on the.
Okay,
Love you too, Grandma.
stay in touch every once in a blue moon. Think about it.
I got to, yeah.
Just, a text. You don't have to call me. A text. I respond to text every once in a while.
All right, Grandma.
Bye.
Bye.
Nah, you just got done eating. You gotta show us the food.
I ain't done.
You ain't done with what?
The food.
How you not done? You just got done eating.
My first plate.
Right.
So we had to cut up some stuff, make sure it gets cooked properly and all that stuff, because running a little short on time. We got Mom's turkey here. It's good. Real good. Ooh, excuse me. See, people might say it's dry. It's juicy. But you're not going to believe me because y'all lame as hell. Then you got the beautiful, beautiful ham. Look at that crispiness. Like I said, though, we had to cut some things up. Keep it pushing, keep it moving. You feel me? That's the extra mac and cheese. We don't really need to look at that.
We're not even gonna look at it.
You know what we already got, though? Hawaiian rolls like crazy. Always a good one. People toast them. Don't get me wrong. They're good toasted, but you know I'm hungry as a mug, so I had to. And you got the mac and cheese that I've been already scooped through. Trust. From what I've heard from the other people around here, these are good. It's good, it's good. So yeah, that's what we got. That's what we rocking with. And you know, always keep your bottle caps. If anything were to happen, like total atomic annihilation, make sure you got your bottle caps. I'll see y'all later.